Hello guys, this is Jay, and in this video we'll be building a text to Morse code converter in Python. So sit back, chillax, and let's start coding. First of all, we're going to create a module named morse.py. So we want to go to File, I want to go to New, I want to go to Python file, I want to type morse, which is Morse. Now we're going to create a variable in this our module called Morse_code, which is going to be equals to all our Morse code, and it's going to be a dictionary. So we're going to say I just have to go to Google and copy the remaining Morse code. So guys, I'm going to pause the video and go to Google and copy my Morse code and paste it here. You can do the same too. Yeah, this is the Morse code I've gotten from Google from A to Z and from 0 to 9. So guys, let's head back to main.py. So now we're going to import our morse.py. We're going to say from morse import Morse code. Then we'll create a variable named text_code, which is going to be an input. And we're going to ask the user enter a text, and this text is going to be converted to Morse code. Now we're going to create a function named Morse Code Converter, and it's going to have a parameter named text. And in our function, we're going to create another variable named results, which is going to be equal to an empty list for now. Then we're going to loop through our text parameter. We're going to say for x in text. Then we want to use our if condition here. We want to say if x.upper in Morse code. We're going to now append it into the result variable. Now these two lines breaks the text that the user enters and converts it to an uppercase, and then compares it if those uppercase words are in our Morse code. Now if they are, we're going to append those letters into the result variable. That is what this two line does. Now we're going to break out of our for loop and call the return. I want to return a string. We're going to convert the result variable to a string. So we're going to say quotes and space dot join. We're going to call the join method, and we're joining the result variable back to a string. Now let's call our function. We want to say print Morse code converter, and the parameter is going to be text_code. Remember, the text_code is the variable that asks the user to enter a text. Now let's run the code and see. Now I said enter a text. I want to say hello. Yeah, guys, this is hello in Morse code. Now let's run the code again, and let's say something like hello world. Yeah, so this is hello world in Python. Now there's an issue in this code. As you can see, there is no difference between the hello and the world. They are joined together. So now we can do that by adding another if condition at the top of our or after our for loop. So we want to say if, but before we do that, kindly like, share, drop a comment in the comment section, guys. So I want to say if the x is an empty space, quote and space, we're going to tell result to append, or we're going to append, let's append the a backslash there just to separate the two words from each other. And let's run the code and see. Let's say hello world again. Yeah, you can see there's a backslash between the hello and the world. Now we can separate where hello is and where world is. So guys, this is text to Morse code converter in Python. Thank you very much for watching.